Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pocket folding knives that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Smith. You've probably heard of Smith & Wesson. The venerable firearms manufacturer has been around for over 150 years. If you didn't know they also make affordable, high-quality pocket knives, well, now you do. We love the classic black styling on this thing. The clip point blade is made of black oxide high-carbon stainless steel for a sharp edge that doesn't reflect light. The black aluminum handle is sturdy but light and features ergonomic shaping for comfortable use. Cutouts in the handle further lighten the overall weight, bringing the entire knife into the 3.5 ounces range. Not bad for a knife with a 3.1-inch blade and an overall length of 7.1 inches. The blade is serrated at the bottom third. A pocket clip, liner lock, and ambidextrous thumb knobs round out the feature set and make deployment a snap. Moving on at number 4, we have the RoverTac Multitool Pocket. The pocket knife tool on a lot of multi-tools is often an afterthought, hard to get at, small, and often without a locking feature. But makers of top pocket knives know that a sturdy, well-thought-out blade is a must. RoverTac brings the A-game with this unique take on a multi-tool. They use a design that puts the knife blade first but still includes all the handy utility you want in a multi-tool, including can opener, bottle opener, wire cutter, pliers, Phillips screwdriver, slotted screwdriver, Torx bit, and more. And like most multi-tools, it even ships with a ballistic nylon pouch for easy belt storage. RoverTac Multitool Pocket and Folding Knife Blade is stainless steel and features a clip point design and serration on the lower third near the handle. A locking mechanism keeps the blade in place, which is a good thing considering to what uses you'll likely put this folding knife. On top of all that, we are big fans of the gold, yellow handle. At number 3, we have the Grandway Military Style Pocket. A 3.42-inch, non-serrated drop point blade is one of the most useful items you can include in your EDC kit. And if that knife is spring-assisted, even better. Grandway provides just such a knife here, and the result is an EDC pocket knife that will handle everything you throw at it. Thumb studs and a liner lock add to the usefulness, as does the fact that if the spring wears out, you can still open and close this EDC knife just as you would a non-assisted model. The black blade is made of 440C stainless steel, a very common option for knives because it is durable, corrosion-resistant, inexpensive, and easy to sharpen. If you are looking for a good all-around option that provides plenty of utility and durability, Grandway Military Style Pocket and Folding Knife is a good choice. It even comes with an ebook full of survival skills and life hacks. At number 2, we have the Columbia River Knife. If you like a clean, minimal look in your belongings, check out this top-rated pocket knife. There isn't much to talk about with this option from Columbia River Knife and Tool, which is the whole point. This knife is made to be unobtrusive until you need it. Columbia River Knife and Tool Compact Pocket and Folding Knife was designed in Bend, Oregon, a famous outdoor destination. Friction grooves on the bottom of the drop point blade assist with grip, while a thumb stud and low-profile pocket clip provide utility. We love the stonewash finish. Not only is it clean and classic, but it resists corrosion as well. The non-serrated blade is good for all kinds of tasks, and the entire package comes in at just 3.5 ounces. And finally at number 1, we have the Kershaw Chive Pocket and Folding Knife. A good pocket knife needs to be rugged, dependable, and easy to use. The Kershaw Chive Pocket and Folding Knife doesn't disappoint. Kershaw has been making knives since 1974 and put all of that expertise to use in this deceptively simple drop-bladed, all stainless steel example. The 1.9-inch blade is made of 420HC steel and features a stone-washed finish. The handle is also stainless steel as well and has all of the durability you'd expect from that material. Kershaw's SpeedSafe assisted opening, a frame lock, and a tip lock slider round out the features. That isn't much, but you don't need much, do you? You just need a knife that does the job and looks good doing it.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.